Hey Internet, today's lesson is making a spring. So what you do is you make a base circle on any of the planes. I chose top. You go to insert, you go to curve, you go to helix / spiral, and then you pick your circle. And I would prefer to pick height and revolution because you need to know the length, which is your height, and you need to know how many spirals you want. So I've chosen 50 and 10. Start angle, it doesn't matter too much because you can always rotate it, but if you're really fussy you can pick your starting angle and your clockwise or counterclockwise. But again, you can always rotate it. So we'll just click the tick and our spring sketch is formed. Now next step is to make a sweep. What we first need to do is make a plane, and the plane references will be the point itself, and click the tick. Oh, maybe we can do something with a reference. There we go. Yep. So now that we've got a plane, we just make a circle, let's say 1 millimeter. What we're going to do is pierce the circle and the sketch together. Next we're going to sweep. So our profile is the circle and our path is the helix / spring, and click the tick, and that's your spring. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, and comment. Until next time, see ya.